Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select Extrude, select the plane. You can see the base dimension here 82 by 60, thickness is 15 mm. Select center rectangle, 82, press tab, 60, finish sketch, extrude up to 15 mm. So now base is ready. Next there is a one flange to connect the circular part. Select the plane here, sketch, select line, create line like this, give the dimension, height is 63 mm, this distance is 100 mm, this distance is 36 mm. Select line again, 25, 10, select project geometry, select these two lines. Finish sketch, extrude, select symmetric, thickness is 15 mm, ok. Next select this face, sketch, select circle, dia 30 circle first create, give the dimension, create one more circle, dia 50, give the horizontal constraint here. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch, extrude, select this, reverse direction. Here you can select up to surface, select this surface. Okay. We are actually remove material. Edit this, edit feature, extrude. This is front, this is ISO. So you can compare, there is cutouts and holes are pending. Select this surface, sketch, select rectangle, give the dimension, this height is 6 mm and this is 40, here to mm, finish sketch, extrude, reverse direction, through hole, okay. Next there is a holes, 4 holes, that is 5.5, select this surface, sketch, select point, give the dimensions, here to here 6 mm, ten mm, here to this is 6 mm. Here we can give the vertical constraint also, just give this dimension 6. Select vertical constraint, give the constraints, this one also. Select horizontal constraint, give the horizontal. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Holes diameter 5.5 we required. Select here clearance hole, isometric. Here select socketed cap screw, select M5, through hole, OK. That's it. Now we can assign the material here. Friends, if you are enjoying this session, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Go to stainless steel, polishes, we can select any one of these. So finally save the part wherever you want. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you like this session, and also I'm requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.